Hello everyone, this is Prashant here to the channel. So today we are in the day 6. So if you missed 5 to 5 days video, please go and see that one and get clarified your coding interview questions. So today we are going to one of the very interesting topic, design HashMap design patterns. Okay, so HashMap is everyone knows. I hope everyone knows that HashMap like key and values. Same today also we are going to solve one of the HashMap counting pattern, like we keep on count using HashMap, and how we are where we can implement that one. Okay, so come on, let's go to the video. So the question is simple. So you want to first unique character in a string. So the string is given to you, simple string. Okay, so you want to find the first non-repeating character, and if there is no non-repeating, you want to return a -1. So take an example in this, which is the first unique character index. So this 0 is the index, L is the first unique character. Okay, because after that, even though T is there, but that is second unique character. Okay, and this input, if you see both WA, WB, so there is no unique characters. Okay, that means you want to return a -1. Okay, simple. I'm going to create a, as usual, public static. So I want to return an index like index. So static. Then I'm going to put a simply what is the name we can keep? We can keep that unique. First. Okay. And we want to get the string S. Okay, so this is the input we need to get, and as usual I always tell put a 0 index as initially. Then the first step and foremost step, check the input is valid or not. If yes equal to null or s dot is empty, so in that case simply return what? -1, because if there is no anything, na, return -1. Okay, or return 0, but right now it is empty, means you want to return a -1. Okay, and overall also -1 only in the end. Okay, if it is there is a value but there is no finding. Okay, so we need a hash map. So hash map, but today we have a string means we need to bring the what? Character and integer. So yesterday we saw both are integer, that's why we keep integers. Maps equal to new hash map. I'm going to create a single for loop. So today also I'm going to use a char enhanced for loop. I mean s dot. So to convert a string to array means to character array. So it will convert the string to character array, and it will pass each character one by one. Okay, so I'm going to maps dot put the C, then maps dot get or default. This one I taught you last time. So here I want to give the current C value. If not, make it as 0 plus 1. Okay, I hope everyone has got this one. Okay, so I'm going to simply create a for loop. In this for loop, I'm going to iterate to each character in the string, and adding that into map. So and I'm putting a value as 1. Okay, and this for loop, what will do? This for loop will go to the end of the string and makes the count. Okay, so now we need another for loop. Okay, this for loop is to identify the index. So as usual, old for loop, int I equal to 0, then I need to go I less than s dot length. Okay, because I need to go to the another I plus plus. So in this simple if statement, if maps dot get of what? S dot character at I, because I need to travel in the order of string, equal to 1, which is the first character which brings the value as 1, that is the return I. Okay, so we want to return the I. Okay, sorry, equal to 1. I put a bracket in the wrong way. Okay, so I need to get this each character. I go to the map and check in the order when I'm getting a 1. So in this place I will get L. 1 means it will return a index of what? 0. So I'm going to get a main method, simple main method. In the main method I'm going to get a string s equal to, we will pass this value. Okay, and I'm going to sys out. I'm going to call the method, what is the method name? Unique, and we want to pass the value. Okay, so I'm going to run this method. So see this, the index is 0. Suppose if I give, instead of creating another variable, what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste this here itself. I'm going to pass a value AA BP. So this is our another input. When I run this, so this will return a value as -1, because in this there is no unique characters. So if there is no unique character, if it is written a -1. If I'm returning a empty means what will happen? If I'm sending a empty means it will as usual give -1, because it will fail in this place itself. Okay, now I'm going to again. So we need to find the first unique characters. Okay, that is our target. First unique character in a string. I'm going to pass a string, create a hash map for character and integer. Creating first for loop. This for loop will add the each character and make the count the value every time. Okay, and in the next for loop we simply iterating the length of the string. In the length of the string we simply getting which value get the first one. Once you reach a 1 means you don't need to travel to other strings, it's waste of time. So simply you get a first value. When you're getting a value as 1, then return that index. Okay, that's our target. Okay, so thanks for watching. So if you have any doubts or on the previous topics, or you want a few any interview questions on coding ground for SDET, please put me in the comment. So thanks for watching and share with your friends.